In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off Instagram DMs. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. After that, go to your profile. Tap at menu icon and select Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy, search for Notifications and then Messages. That's where we can configure notifications about different types of messages, like message requests, messages from individual and group chats, message reminders, and all other type of message notifications. And in here we can customize the notifications depending on which messages we want to disable. To disable messages, just select off. That's how you can easily turn off DMs on Instagram.